Tap Device on the app. Select the added devices on the app. Save, then you will see the devices are synced to the NSPanel Pro. Tap Scene on the app to add your manual scenes to the NSPanel Pro. Afterward, you can trigger the smart scenes on the NSPanel Pro directly. Tap Add Device. Built-in Zigbee gateway allows you to add the Zigbee devices. Tap Start Pairing and make your Zigbee device enter the pairing mode. Then the added device will display on the device table. After that, you can set up a smart security mode. Once you set up your away mode, NSPanel Pro will sound the alarm when the sensor is triggered. NSPanel Pro supports synchronizing Sonoff camera and Link camera. After synchronization, you can view the camera screen directly on the NSPanel Pro and remote talk with camera. Also, NSPanel Pro support adding RTSP camera. Follow the prompts to set the camera name and enter RTSP address to add the camera. Also, NSPanel Pro support adding Espressif ESP32CAM as the DIY camera. Set the name, enter IP address and port to view the live screen from the DIY camera. There are 8 default wallpapers for you to switch. If you don't like them, customize it by yourself. NSPanel Pro and your phone require to connect to the same Wi-Fi. Upload the wallpaper in the Link app. Then you can set a desired picture as your wallpaper.